am one of the pharmacy teachers, and we are very happy with the results of this experience because the teacher, that is called Gerard in the AOI, he has been talking and giving information and activities related to job opportunities, both with experience or without experience. They have prepared them for an interview, they have prepared a kind of CV, and they have been asking each other typical questions of in an interview. So I think that's a very, very good experience. It has been very focused on what they really needed, and we hope to repeat the experience next year and maybe do it bigger, because we would have liked it to connect with other students from the AI, and due to the pandemics we couldn't be together. But okay, next year